Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to disable auto correction keyboard in your iPhone. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you're looking for how to disable auto correction in your iPhone. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your iPhone settings section. After click over settings section, you need to scroll down and then you will find here something say general. After click over general, scroll down and you will find here something say keyboard. And in your keyboard, you can see in the keyboard section we have total 3 keyboard, and if you have any other layout it might be going to be appear here, but this is the main keyboard by iPhone, so I have the main keyboard. I'm not using any additional keyboard. So if you want to turn off auto correction on this keyboard, you will see there is something say auto correction. If you decide to turn off auto correction, you can simply turn this off. So from now I can easily type anything in my keyboard and that's not going to be giving me auto correction. So within this simple way you can easily enable or off or on auto correction in your iPhone keyboard. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.